Hey everyone, what's up? Just a quick tutorial for something with the Valeton GP200 that I had to go and figure out. So, if you, like me, are into the Eddie Van Halen thing and you like phasers, the problem is the way the GP200 is set up initially is that if you look here, your modulation comes after the cab and amplifier. Well, phasers, particularly, were designed to go before distortion. So what you can do is you can go into your software. This is your GP200 software. You can go into here. You slide your phaser up front. And now it sounds more like a real phaser. And of course, you got your different types. You could set up choruses, blah, 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 all that stuff. But the straight up thing, so if you go like with the orange phaser, the problem is if it comes after the amp, then it phases all your distortion too. If it phases the whole signal, you want something more like this to go for the Eddie Van Halen thing. So that's just a quick way you could move pedals around and change where they sit in your signal chain on the GP200. Make sure you download the software from Valeton.net. And other than that, I will talk to you guys later. Peace.